Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera C. Litera C. Letter C. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is C or T. It is pronounced like TS in bits. Bits. The target vocabulary for this lesson is țuică, țânțar, țăran. Now, let's see, what do these words mean? Țuică, țuică, plum brandy. Țânțar, țânțar, mosquito. Țăran, țăran, peasant. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Am cumpărat mere de la un țăran. Am cumpărat mere de la un țăran. I bought apples from a peasant. Bem un pahar de țuică în fiecare duminică. Bem un pahar de țuică în fiecare duminică. We have a cup of plum brandy every Sunday. Am fost mușcat de un țânțar în timp ce pescuiam. Am fost mușcat de un țânțar în timp ce pescuiam. I got bitten by a mosquito while I was fishing. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!